Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to another edition of Tool Tech Tuesday. Well, it's been about a year since Evolution reached out to me and wanted to know if I wanted to try their EVO Saw 380. And let me tell you, it has been a wonderful addition to my shop. Up until this point in time when I received this saw, I was cutting everything with my 4.5-inch angle grinder with a death wheel in there, or basically a cutting wheel in there. And I was looking for an abrasive saw at that point in time. Like I said, they reached out to me, wanted to know if I wanted to try some of their tools, and I graciously accepted once I saw that they had the cold saw and they were offering that to me. So the one thing I've been struggling with is a stand for it. I've built one stand with it. I actually had the video on there, and I just wasn't happy with that stand. I actually cut that apart and I used a steel for something else. Just like I said, I've been struggling with a stand. I'm limited in space in this shop right here. Like you guys saw in the last video, I am going to be working and building a new shop in back. But until that is done, I'm still limited to the space that I have available. So Evolution reached back out to me. They do have a stand available now, and it is a folding portable stand. So they wanted to know if I wanted to pair my EVO 380 or my Cut 380 with their new stand, and again, I graciously accepted. So right over there in the box, I do have it set there. We're gonna go ahead and get it unboxed, get the saw on there, and see how it works together. All right, this is Evolution's new chop saw stand. It is universal. You do not have to put their saw on there. You can put whatever chop saw you want on there, whether it be a cold saw or a standard abrasive chop saw. They just come out with it to pair with their chop saw. They have the stand for the RMS 255, and up till this point in time, they really haven't had a stand for the chop saw. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this, see what comes with it, and get the saw on there. It does have a 3-year warranty, just like everything else. You do want to register that on their website to make sure and take advantage of that 3-year warranty. All right, with just a little bit of assembly, you can see we have this stand put together now. So let's take a closer look before we put the saw on it. Some of the things that I saw that I liked and some of the things that I saw that I disliked. So we're gonna start with the likes first, and I'm gonna go over, really there's only one dislike that I saw that I really didn't care for. So right now, let's go ahead and take a look at it. One of the things that I did see that I did like, it does have a positive locking clamp for your saw. This will screw in and be able to lock it up against it, which is pretty nice. It does have a material rest on the left side, or these are changeable if you are right or left-handed. It doesn't really matter. You can put it on however you wish. It does have a carry handle after you put your saw on there. It might be kind of heavy, I don't know, but it is portable to be able to keep the saw portable and stowed away wherever you want. One of the things I also saw that I liked, it does have a material stop. So if you have a designated length that you want to cut, you can put this on there, and it does have 2 locks, slits in there, and this material rest here. Or if you do not have anything that you want to, basically if you don't have a bunch of cuts that you're going to have to make, you can take this material stop and you can turn it over, and then this would just be a rest. This is just for if you have a bunch of cuts, say, I don't know, 10 inches long, you can set that at 10 inches to the edge of your blade, and then you will have a nice material rest there. Both of these are adjustable right there. You reach under here to pull these out. These do have a maximum mark on them. You don't want to go any further than that. They put that on there. That's pretty nice. To be able to let you know that you are coming to the end of the slide out. They are on both sides, on the material rest side and on your material stop or rest side there. These are just okay. They wouldn't be able to put anything larger in there, but it does make it kind of nice that they stay on there all the time to be able to take the saw on or off. One of the things I did see, it is adjustable. It does have 5 different height adjustments. It does have a white line on there, so you stay lined up all the time with your push pin. I thought that was pretty cool. That way you know where it's at all the time. Sometimes if they don't have these on there, once you push your button and you turn it, you have a hard time finding your button again once it's pressed in there. The only thing that I saw that I did not like is the legs where they fold. They need just a little bit more throw in there to be able to fold these legs easily. If this was, I don't know, if this pin on the back side was just a little bit shorter, I think there should be just a little bit more throw in there for that push pin to be able to easily fold those legs. So far, that's the only negative comment I have on the saw or on the stand, is that right there. So go ahead and grab the cut 180 or the cut 380, and we're gonna put it on top of there and see how it looks. Alright, I really actually like the fit. I'm sure they probably had this saw in mind when they designed this stand. It will fit their other chop saws also, or their other cold saws also. They have 3 other cold saws available that will probably fit on this stand, or will fit on this stand. They do have another slot in here where you could actually take this anchor and move it here if you so choose to be able to run their smaller cold saw that they have available. You can see how I have a piece of material in there up against the stop. That's what I was talking about. If you have some stuff that you need to cut, all a designated length, you can run that out there and be able to cut that with no problems, no issues at all. I think Evolution did a pretty good job engineering and designing this stand to fit their cold saws or any other chop saw or cold saw. So pretty excited, very happy with it actually. I can't wait to put it to work and see how sturdy it is. It really is. I mean, even with the cracks on my floor, it's pretty stable as far as moving around, cutting with it. I like the height. This is in the highest setting. This is probably what I would use all the time once I get everything set up in the back garage in the new shop. This will probably stay set up all the time. Anyway guys, that's pretty much all I have. If you guys get a chance, check out Evolution Tools. I do have a coupon code. It's C Myers 73 if you guys want to use that to pick up some tools for yourself. Be a link in the description for Evolution Tools. They also have a Amazon store that you can go on and shop at also. The coupon code will be in the description along with their website and their Amazon store if you guys want to check them out. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. So once again, if you guys don't mind, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already done so, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Just a little sneak peek next week is that box right there. If you guys follow me on TikTok, you know what is in that box. I can't wait to show you guys that. That's pretty cool. I just posted a picture today on my Instagram of what's actually in that box.